on, Lenny, show me the way down. Ooh, this is a wall. Like an old medieval wall. Where do we get down, Lenny? Alright, let's get down here without falling down. Oh my god, this cove we found is tiny. Honest to God. I'm sure we're not supposed to be here, but oh my god, lovely. Oh, this is what it's about. Honest to God. Oh, we found a perfect spot here. Unbelievably good. We're hidden up behind some olive trees in a little car park on the other side of the road. So, but that's alright. We're hidden. Nice though. Really nice. There she is. Blodder's tucked away. Tucked away behind a little tree.
Whoa!
Oh, to catch her.
Yeah.
Perfect. Whoa.
Wow.
Whoa.
Morning. We've got to this little beach last night. Me and Lenny came down this morning for a little walk. Oh God, just beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So we're the only ones here. I'm gonna go back, make a coffee, get Justin up, and we're gonna come down and have a little dip in the water for 5, and then have some breakfast, and I think just pack a bag and just come down here today.
But first, a rejuvenating yoga practice, connecting with nature and harmonising my mind, body and spirit, emerging with a sense of peace, ready to embrace the day. Arrived back at base camp to find Justin admiring the slide-out drawer he made in Blodwen's garage. Boys and their toys.
Yeah, smooth.
Oh.
Leonard.
Where are you? Ready for a dip?
Nice t-shirt, just. Going back to work, are we?
This is where I used to work. Sponsorship. Just been for a swim, little swim. It's like Bikini Bottom down there, or not. Oh, it's amazing. Oh, this is what we was looking for. This is exactly what we was looking for. Isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, I can't believe it. Honest to God. Yeah. Yeah, lovely. And the water's warm. Lovely and warm. Nice.
As you can probably tell, we were so happy about finding this gorgeous little cove beach. It's day 3 here and time for an explore.
No idea where this path goes, but we are really looking forward to finding out what we'll see around the corner. Rosary. Whoa, have a look. Whoa. Nice.
Looking down on the ground. Maybe there's a way somehow. Walking around somehow.
No, Lenny, this way.
Some broken clouds. Will we find a way to live without the falling rain? Always. Walking around.
So we're just on a hike. We've walked all along the cliff edge from where we camped, and we were hoping to get to a little beach that we found the other day that we weren't able to drive down to, but we've just looked on the map now and it's still quite a while away from here, and with Lola being 14, she's good for a good bit of walking, but you know, she gets really tired, so unfortunately we have to turn back and maybe we can drive down and have a little walk from the road down.
So after a gloriously peaceful few days here, we decided to move on. Unfortunately, we didn't get to that beach as it was blocked off, but we will most certainly be coming back to this little piece of paradise in the future. That's it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. We really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, leave a comment and hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate your support.
Hey Lola, do you know why camels are sandy coloured?
Why's that, Lenny?
Camouflage!